guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. We are on process video number 145 and this is entitled Because of Love. So this is another layout that I created using the July 2018 Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club, which I was very honored to be a guest design team member for this month. Now this is I'm working with the Photoplay Paper red, white, and blue papers or collection. And so this, as you can see, is very themed. It is a 4th of July Independence Day themed, but I am actually using it for this love page, or a page of me and my husband. Now the thing that I love about these papers is that they do have themed elements in there, but they're very subtle. And what really stood out to me was the colors, the red, white, and blue. And it just so happens that the colors of the clothes that my husband and I were wearing were red, white, and blue. So it worked out really well. And although I wouldn't be able to use all of the very themed stickers that came with this particular kit, I will be able to use, as you can see, the papers. And then this really gorgeous paper with all of the flowers. When I looked at this one, this is the thing, the element that really inspired me to create this love page, because the flowers were gorgeous and there was no hint of 4th of July in there. So I thought that this would be perfect. So I am just going to be hand cutting a couple of these flowers to create as my embellishments for this particular page. So as you can see, I'm just basically using or maximizing the papers that are in this kit. Pretty much for each particular mini collection that you get 3 papers, 2 cardstocks, and maybe an ephemera or die cut pack, or a whole sticker sheet in this case. And so I don't know, I just worked out for my particular style that the kits really worked, matched my style. That's what I'm trying to say. Because I do love to work with papers. Like, that is like my first go-to. If you've ever watched any of my homemade kits, you know that that's how I put together those kits. First is I pull out an inspiration paper, and so I always go with the paper, and so this worked out really well for me. And now I'm working with the beige cardstock first. Every kit has 2 cardstock, but because I'm only working with a single page here, so I'm just gonna work out with 1. And because I wanted it to, I wanted to frame it a little bit, I inked the edges with some tea dye ink, and it also worked out well with the kind of look that this papers have. It has a very vintagey look, so it worked out well. Now I'm going to be creating my blocks. This is a very, is the word even right when I say blocky? But it's a very kind of that design. There's a lot of blocks, a lot of strong edges on this page, but I'm going to balance that out with my embellishments, kind of going outside of the lines, and then I'm going to create a banner on the top as well. And so I love this plaid paper. It's really gorgeous, and it not only reminds me of, the red, white, and blue, but it actually more reminds me of like the Scottish kilt. Is that what it's called? The skirts that the Scottish man usually wears. So that's kind of interesting. And then they have this banner and the sticker sheet that's just kind of a half circle, and I thought that would work well here. Now I did type my journaling already, and then I cut that into strips, and so I'm just gonna put that there. So basically I am just documenting. These pictures are from 2017, and so I'm just documenting how my husband and I have been married for, at this time in 2017, 15 years. And so I'm just kind of telling how it has been my best decision, and that I've enjoyed, or I've been really grateful to have him as my life partner, my eternal partner, actually I call him, as for the last 15 years. So that's what I'm documenting here. So as you can see, it's like a totally different theme from 4th of July, but it worked well because of the colors of the photos, the colors in the photos that I have here. So don't be afraid to use your themed elements or themed products for non-themed pages. And so I am pulling out this glittered love um, from my stash. This is not part of the sampling that I got, but of course, because this is a heavily loaded Independence Day theme, I'm not going to be able to find any sticker or any words that would work well for my theme. However, there was a sticker sheet that started off with the words because of. I think it says because of the brave or something like that, but I just cut out the words because of, and that worked well with my page. So like I said, don't be afraid to look at your heavy themed elements and kind of see what you can use um, in them without making it, um, without making it so like, 4th of July or whatever theme it is. And I also use some stickers because why not? I know there's flowers in here, and there's circles and stuff, but stars worked well as well. So that's my page, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys on the next go around. Bye.